Hey, I'm Kevin McGrew. I'm founder of Everzocial, a digital marketing agency, and author of the best-selling book, The New Rules of Marketing Warfare. If you run a small business, you know that every minute counts and every dollar matters. But let me ask you this. Are you spending too much time on tasks that software could handle? Here's the truth. If you're not leveraging automation, your competitors already are, and they're gaining ground fast. So, what is automation and why should you care? Well, I get that question a lot, and it's a great question. Automation isn't just tech jargon, it's about making your business more efficient, effective, and profitable. Tools like N8N take repetitive tasks off your plate so you can focus on what you do best. So, I'm going to address top 5 questions I get about automation a lot from my customers and people through our newsletter. And here they are. So, first off, is what exactly is N8N? Well, N8N is an open source workflow automation tool that connects different apps and services, automating tasks without the need of a tech team. Being open source, it's something that you can host on your own server and not be charged for. How does automation help my business? Well, good question. It saves you time, it reduces errors, and it helps scale your operations smoothly. Is it complicated? Do I need to know code? Nope. N8N offers a visual drag and drop interface. And if you can use a mouse, you can automate your workflows. Number 4, is automation expensive? N8N is budget friendly and can dramatically reduce your operating costs quickly, paying for itself. Number 5, can automation integrate with tools I'm already using? Absolutely. N8N integrates seamlessly with tools like Slack, MailChimp, Shopify, Google Sheets, and hundreds more. So here's top 10 use cases I get or that I suggest or recommend people look at when they're starting out. Number 1 is automating email marketing. Number 2, syncing your CRM systems. Number 3, managing social media posting. Number 4, streamlining customer support. Number 5, automating invoice and payment tracking. Number 6, simplifying project management and collecting and organizing data. Number 8, automating lead generation. Number 9, managing inventory. And number 10, scheduling appointments and follow-ups. A lot of people are doing these tasks manually, and it's just part of business, something we got to do each and every day. If you're able to get a tool to do a lot of this, like having a personal assistant doing it for you, you're buying back time as a founder, as a business owner, that will ultimately create more efficiency, allow you to do the things that are going to make you more effective and make more money. So I'm going to take a little bit more of a deep dive into the top 3 use cases. So let's break down these top 3. Number 1, email marketing automation. So this is something a lot of small business, our customers don't even do because it takes so much time for them to do. So now with automation, it doesn't mean you can fully automate something that doesn't already work. You're going to have to spend the time to think through what you need, welcome series, win backs, upsell, cross sells, all these different types. And that's kind of where you can hire an agency to help you think those through. But once those are fully fleshed out, you can automate that. So you don't have to waste hours spending doing follow-ups. N8N can automate personalized email sequences, improving customer engagement without any manual work. So imagine having a e-commerce shop and somebody buys something, you send an automatic email with their receipt and everything, but imagine sending multiple emails knowing when they receive their package that you send out an email to let them know the package has arrived and that you have some ways that they could use the product right away. And here's a video to watch, or here's some information you might want to read to help you use this product that you bought a week ago. A lot of people forget what they bought. They get it in a box and they're like, what did I buy this again? This is a perfect time to have an automation do that for you and help them to become loyal customers. Social media management is number 2. This is something, again, a lot of small business owners hire agencies for. We're happy to do it for you. But initially what we do is we recommend crawl, walk, run. We recommend you managing your social media, but it's too time consuming. We get it. So Automations can schedule posts across platforms effortlessly. No more manual uploading to each channel. You can automate your entire social calendar now with tools like Canva that will create a lot of this content for you. N8N will talk to Canva and get them to where they need to, these posts where they need to go. And the third one I'm going to talk about today is lead generation. N8N can automatically collect and nurture leads instantly, adding them to your CRM or customer relationship management system. That could be a spreadsheet, but I would recommend something a little bit more robust. And it can also help with your email campaigns, keeping your sales pipeline flowing without missing a beat. I think that's what we see is a lot of times as an agency, we're driving a lot of leads to our customers, but it's like a leaky boat or leaky bucket. The water's just leaking out and those leads are just leaking everywhere and not being followed up. And there's missed opportunities. That's money literally walking out the door. So what do I got to finish up with here? Automation isn't the future. It's the now. Ready to take command of your digital strategy? Subscribe to my YouTube channel or our YouTube channel here at Everzocial for more tips and strategies like this. And make sure you join the Everzocial Insider newsletter. You'll get exclusive access to our favorite tools, top secret growth hacks, and insights to help your business win big. So let's automate your success together.